Saving 10,000 can feel impossible when your paycheck disappears into rent, groceries, kid stuff, and gas for the minivan. The truth, for most families, the first 10K is the hardest. After that, everything gets easier. In this video, I'll show you a simple, realistic plan to save your first 10,000 on a normal paycheck, no extreme couponing, no 3 extra jobs, no eating rice and beans forever. Welcome to Minivan Millionaire Plan, the channel where busy parents turn everyday chaos into long-term wealth, one simple habit at a time. If you're juggling kids, car seats, and bills, but still want a real financial future, you're in the right place. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more practical money videos for normal families. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why this first 10,000 matters so much. First, 10,000 is a shock absorber. One car repair, one job scare, or one broken furnace doesn't wipe you out. Second, 10,000 is a confidence builder. Once you've seen yourself stack that kind of money, saving the next 10,000 feels possible instead of impossible. And third, 10K is a launch pad. It's where you can start seriously investing, paying down debt faster, and making choices from a place of calm instead of panic. You can't save your first 10,000 if you don't know where your money is going right now. Don't overcomplicate this. For the next 30 days, track every dollar in your take-home pay. Track every dollar out in just 3 to 4 big buckets: housing, food, transportation, everything else. At the end of the month, ask a simple question. Out of everything that came in, how much actually stayed? That number is your starting monthly savings. It might be $0, it might be $50. That's okay. We just need the truth. Next, let's decide how fast you want to get to 10,000. Save $200 per month to about 4 years to 10,000. Save $800 per month, a bit over 1 year. Look at your current situation and pick a stretch but believable target. Write that number down. That's your monthly target from now on. Your job now is to make that amount visible in your budget before the month even starts. 3 levers. 1. Cut. Trim. Silent leaks, subscriptions, unused apps, random takeout, even $50 cut from mindless categories makes a difference. 2. Shift. Keep spending the same, but swap expensive habits for cheaper ones. So, for example, one restaurant night becomes a fun, fake takeout night at home, and you move the $60 saved straight into your 10K fund. 3. Boost. Occasional overtime, a weekend gig, or selling unused stuff. The key: every extra dollar is assigned to the 10K goal before you see it as extra. You're building a budget that says the first 400 goes to future me. The rest has to work with what's left. Now we make this feel real. Open one separate account just for this goal. Name it something fun like first 10,000 or Minivan safety net. Then set up an automatic transfer on payday. If you get paid twice a month and your target is 400 per month, set 200 to move out the same day, each pay. Treat it like a bill. It's not optional. It's just part of life now. When you automate, you stop relying on willpower and you remove the should I move money this month decision. What's left in your main account is what you're allowed to spend. Most people try to cut everything all at once, burn out, and give up. Instead, use upgrade moments, times when money naturally frees up, a car loan is paid off, a daycare bill drops, a raise comes in. When that happens, don't let the freed up money quietly disappear into lifestyle creep. Before you get used to it, decide half of this new money goes straight to my 10K plan. This way, your monthly savings jumps without your lifestyle feeling crushed. 10K can feel far away, so break it into mini milestones. Acknowledge each milestone in an inexpensive but memorable way. A special family movie night, at home, a walk with fancy ice cream, or just a moment together, looking at the number. You're training your brain to associate saving with progress and pride, not restriction. You might have months where you can't hit your target or you even dip into the fun. That's life with kids and a minivan. But if you keep going at it again and again, you will get there. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe if saving the first 10,000 seems a little more doable.